In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kajabi email sequence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to design your emails, and how to make sure the right people get them at the right time. Start on your Kajabi dashboard. Open the Marketing tab, then click Email Campaigns. This is the home base for everything related to your email marketing inside Kajabi. In the top area, click the button to create a new email campaign. When Kajabi asks what type you want, choose Email Sequence, not an email broadcast. Sequences are designed to send multiple messages over time, while broadcasts are one-time sends. Give the sequence an internal name you'll easily recognize later, then click Continue or Get Started. Next, design your first email. You can choose a template for a polished layout or use the classic editor if you prefer a simple, text-forward look. Give this email an internal title so you can quickly identify it in the sequence. Your subscribers won't see this title. Then set the subject line and write the body content. Keep your message focused, add clear calls to action, and use the visual editor to style your email with images, buttons, and formatting. Make sure it reads well on mobile, since a large portion of subscribers will open on their phones. If you need additional emails, add them now and repeat the same setup for each one. With content in place, schedule when each email should send relative to subscription. Day 0 sends immediately after someone is added to the sequence. Day 1 sends the next day, Day 3 a few days later, and so on. For each email, also choose the time of day and adjust the time zone if your audience is in a different region. Kajabi supports up to 2 emails per day in a sequence, so if you want a quick follow-up later the same day, that's possible. Finally, connect a subscribe trigger so the sequence starts automatically. Create an automation that says, for example, when someone submits a form or purchases an offer, subscribe that person to this email sequence. Once that action occurs, Kajabi will send your first message according to the schedule you set, and continue through the sequence from there. That's it. You've created a Kajabi email sequence, designed your messages, scheduled the timing, and hooked up the trigger so the right people enter your sequence automatically.